Hello and welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming along. And I have to tell you, I need to do this video today because if you're thinking about being a live bait and fishing tackle vending operator, here are some things that you really need to consider. It is January 30th, 2019. I'm at my vending location right now, just one of them. I'm only going to go to one of them today because it is -5, which the wind chill and everything, it says that is -24. So today is not the day to be cracking these machines open and seeing what bait is alive, or just doing anything, because it is extremely cold and it will shock a lot of the bait and items that are in that machine, because it's going to take so much for it to heat back up if you do open the machine. But I'm pretty confident on this location, so I am going to open it up. I'm going to show you a little bit about what it's like to be a live bait and tackle vending operator here in northern Michigan, and maybe it'll help you decide if it's for you. So let's go ahead and do it. Okay, first off, you can see there's the machine. It is full of snow on top of it. I do have a sign placard on top of it, and so I'm going to be clearing that off. First thing that I'm looking for is making sure that those lights on the credit card reader, if you can see that there, are running, which it is. And you can see my display is covered with snow, so we're going to get that cleared off, and then we're going to get some of that other snow on the top cleared off. So let's go do that. Show you, it is 42 degrees in there, which is not bad considering, like I said, it is -5 degrees, but it feels like it's -24 or so. So let's go ahead and make sure you can see that. You can see it's 17.5 degrees on the cabinet side. You can see it's 42.5 degrees on the bait side and 17.5 degrees on the cabinet side. That's where all the electronics are. Okay, I have the machine open. Just gonna open it up real quick. I need to grab a couple of these items. As you can see, I don't have it stocked because the wintertime it is pretty difficult. I mean, in northern Michigan, we sell a lot, but for the ice fishermen, but the ice fishing isn't like it usually is. So I'm just going to pull a couple of these items out so that way I can sell them in other venues. But like I said, you can see we don't have it stocked full in the winter just because it's a waste. And I usually only try and stock about Thursday or Friday for the weekends, and then I just let it run for the rest of the week. But all right, it's cold, so let's get this puppy buttoned up. And you can see after I opened that door, it dropped almost 2 degrees instantly. So that was just really quick. I'm not doing it, but you can see even the cabinet side dropped a couple degrees. So you don't want to open them up and be standing there forever. All right, let's go. Well, that was just downright brutally cold. So you can see that it is not something that is fun to do in the winter. And if you have a great location, this is a very good location for me, but it doesn't do very well in the winter. And I've learned through the years, and hopefully I can pass that along to you, that wintertime is just kind of hard and brutal, even if you have a good location. So I've learned to just kind of pare down and run pretty lean in my business as being a live bait and tackle vending operator, and hopefully that gives you some sort of insight. So I'm gonna try and trek back home and get some of this other stuff done, business stuff, So, man, look at some of that weather. This is what you gotta contend with. It's brutal business. Definitely something you got to consider if you're wanting to be a live bait and fishing tackle operator. Very brutal in the winter. All right, let's head home. Look how brutal that is. See, the car in front of me is just driving with a flashers on. And it is whiteout conditions. Man, stay safe, stay warm, and Stay bundled up. The die-hard Michigan ice fisherman here on January 30th, 2019, when it is -5 to -10 degrees out with a wind chill of -20 to -30. Man, that's a die-hard ice fisherman right there. Gotta love it. Hope there's plenty of fish out there. I'm sure there is. Otherwise, he wouldn't be out there.